Welcome back. Breaking the chain with China. The U.S. currently relies 100% on imports of rare earth materials to power everything from cell phones and batteries to green technology, much of it coming from China. One company here in the United States is looking to change that. USA Rare Earth operates facilities in Texas and Colorado that they say are poised to become a viable alternative to China. Joining us right now is the CEO of USA Rare Earth, Pini Althaus. Penny, it's great to have you this morning. Thanks very much for joining us.
Thank you, Maria.
Tell us first about the rare earth materials that are most critical, that are so important for the use of so many things, that like cell phones or other things that we may not even understand, that these rare earth materials are critical to the production of those things.
Yeah, I mean, you've got four primary materials that make up what we call the permanent magnets, which are neodymium, praseodymium, dysprosium, and terbium. Those are the backbone of manufacturing, if you will, and China has a monopoly on that. And it's not just defense applications, it's medical equipment, it's anything high-tech manufacturing. In fact, 50% of all imports into the United States contain rare earth elements in them. So they're ubiquitous, whether we realize it or not. And it's really the backbone of manufacturing and, in turn, the backbone of any economy.
So I know that in many cases, China dumps these products into the United States, and they dump them through lots of different ports. I mean, that was one of the reasons that the president put on those tariffs on aluminum and steel, because there was so much dumping going on. How much of an issue is that in rare earth materials?
Yeah, I think the issue is actually the opposite when it comes to rare earth and critical minerals. The issue is that China monopolizes it, and China, as part of their Made in China 2025 mandate, have expressed an even further interest in solidifying its place as the manufacturing superpower of the world. And in order to do that, they need to control the flow of rare earth and critical minerals. And we're seeing exports from China to other countries becoming a problem. We don't have a secure supply chain. We're going to get to the situation fairly soon where if we want to manufacture anything, even defense equipment, we're going to have to come cap in hand to China and ask them to provide those materials to do so. So we're in a very precarious position right now, not just the United States, but the EU and other countries that want to do manufacturing. We're completely beholden to China at this point in time, and we have to stand up a domestic critical mineral supply chain.
And you have the capabilities to produce the volume that could be needed.
Yeah, we're not going to put China out of business, nor is any one company, or we're not going to be 100% of what China can provide. But what we do have at the Round Top Mountain in Texas is 16 of the 17 rare earths, but an abundance, 130-year mine life, in particular the heavy rare earths. We've also got a significant amount of lithium, which will make us the second largest lithium producer in the United States. So we certainly have enough to take care of the defense applications and a certain percentage of overall imports into the United States. And we recently purchased the neomagnet equipment that was formerly owned and operated by Hitachi, which will allow us to actually have the first mine-to-magnet strategy implemented in this country in many, many years. So we'll be able to produce up to 20% of all the overall.
It's a great story.